Hi friends, this is K. Revati, studying 3rd BA in SRR and CVR Government Degree College, Vijayawada. Today I want to explain the topic Kakatiya's social and economic conditions. Now we discuss social conditions. In social conditions mainly described society, caste system, women and customs. Now we discuss caste system. The main sources of information to know about the conditions of Kakatiya's period were the inscriptions of Kakatiya rulers and their feudatories, literary works of Rudradeva's Nitisara, Vidyanatha's Prataparudra, Yashodabhushanam, etc. Accounts of foreign travelers like Amir Khusro, Abdullah Wasif and Marco Polo, etc. Caste system. Kakatiyas were Sudras. We know that manuscript. Manu described society as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras, like Chaturvarna system in society. The society was grouped into castes and subcastes. These castes and subcastes was based on professions and their occupations. As per epigraphic record, 18 caste groups were mentioned in society. It was called as Ashtadasa Varna. Again, it was called as Ashtadasa Varna. Villages were free from caste conflicts. Caste societies was called as Samayam. Some of the Samayams in their society, some of them is Brahmins and Vaishyas. Brahmin Samayam was called Mahajana Samaya. Vaishya Samayam was called as Naraka Samaya. Reddis and Velama fought for the political status. Next we discuss society. So many social evils prevailed in society. The social evils like child marriages, bride prices, dowries, sati were prevalent. Intercaste marriages were not permitted. It was only among the rulers but not as an social structure. The Devadasis and prostitute have respect in society. Rudrama Devi, who is a special thing who ascended the throne in 1265 AD. Kakatiya's glory scattered between Kakatiyas were among the period. Next we discuss economic conditions. The sources of economic conditions from Amir Khusro, Marco Polo, Abdul Wasid. Agriculture was the main occupation. The agriculture land was two types of land. There was Rachapolam and Padus. The Kakatiyas rulers dug number of lakes and tanks for the promotion of agriculture. The chief among them were Pakala, Palampeta, Kesasamudram, Lakkavaram, etc. They built number of canals. Some of them was Krishnavedi, Immadi, etc. The Krishnadevaraya converted many forests and barren lands into cultivated lands. As per Motupalli inscription, first Prola constructed Kesari Tatakam. As per the Hanumakonda inscription, first Prola's son Beta constructed Setti Kesariya and Kesari Samudra Tatakam. Pakala Tatakam was built by Ganapati Maharaja with 9,037 acres. Recharla Durga constructed Ramappa Cheruvu with 8 miles. This was the economic conditions on agriculture. Tax system on agriculture now we discuss. There are many types of caste system on agriculture. Some of them was Chenu, Nitipolam, Totabhumi were 3 types of tax system. The tax through money was called Puttinahundi. The tax through grain was called Puttikoluchu. There are 2 measuring rods for the measuring of agriculture land. There is Penumbaka, Manadandam. Second one is Kesari Podigada. Some of the other taxes, grass tax was called Pullari and agriculture crop change tax was called Tagu. Next, we discuss commerce and industries. Along with agriculture, industry, trade, commerce were also developed by Kakatiyas. There was economic prosperity in Kakatiya kingdom. Agriculture and industry were developed. Trade and commerce flourished extensively. Like that, Palkuriki Somana, Marco Polo described about these conditions. Since a long time, Andhra Desa was famous for the Muslims and Kalankari. Nirmala, Gudkonda and Palnadu were the centers of iron industry. Golconda and Rayalaseema were the centers of diamond industry. The swords, which was called Damascus, swords manufactured in Nirmal were in great demand in Arab countries. Trade. There was brisk of internal and external trade. The sum of the main ports of the trade was Varangal, Panagollu, Alampur, Mantena, Gantasala were the chief commercial towns. Motupalli, Krishnapatnam, Machilipatnam were the important ports of the kingdom. Commercial contacts with Persia, Arab, China, East Indies extended. Gold, iron, metal industries, weaving looms were also established by the Kakatiyas. Motupalli was the main trade place. Next, we discuss taxation. Agriculture was the main source of income. The other source of income included the professional tax, access tax, sales tax, commercial tax, etc. Shop tax was called as Madiga. House tax was called Illari. Commercial societies called as Mudra Sunkam, Ammadi Sunkam, Peta Sunkam, etc. These were the types of taxation. Next, we discuss religion. Kakatiyas first they were Jains. Later they were Saivism. The early rulers were the followers of Jainism and subsequent rulers were the followers of Saivism. The Kakatiya feudatories were the followers of Vaishnavism. As a result of Jainism, Vaishnavism and Saivism flourished during the period of Kakatiya. There was conflict between Saivism and Vaishnavism. Saivism were divided into three types. One is Kalamukha Seva, second one is Pasupati Seva, third one is Aradhya Seva. First we discuss Kalamukha Seva. It was founded by Kuhuvara. Early Kakatiya's rulers, Betaraja II, Durgaraja were the disciples of the Kalamukhacharya by the name of Rameswara Pandita. Srisailam and Alampur were the centers of Kalamukha sets. Next we discuss Pasupata Seva. The people associated with Golanki Mutt founded by Saddada Sambhu on the banks of Narmada and Dahala were Pasupatas. It was the most popular religion of the Kakatiyas. All the rulers from Ganapati Deva to Prataparudra II were its advert followers. Vishweshwara Sivadeva, the head of Golanki Mutt, was the Rajaguru of Ganapati Deva and Rudraamba. The branches of Golanki Mutt were set up in all the Saiva shrines. Srishailam and Draksharamam is the two main important places of this Pasupata Seva. Next we discuss Aradhya Seva. It was founded by Bashveshwara in Karnataka. The followers of this sect were Lingas and hence they were called Lingatyas. It was preached and propagated by Sripati, Mallikarjuna and Manchana in Andhra Desa. The Saiva and Vaishnavism shrines not only the centers for religion but also of education. This was the Kakatiya's social, economic and religious conditions in the time of 1000 AD to 1328 AD. Thank you for listening.